I don't want to pay. You are going to see that I'm not going to pay anything. You are going to see that. Understand? You say, I don't want to pay because we are paying here for 25 years, paying and paying, and that's enough. And we are a lot of people that we are recording videos and doing that. You are going to see that I'm not going to give money, and I'm going to go through. If you want, you go backwards, and you are going to say it. And if you do it, you are going to pass, and you are not going to pay. That's for sure, no problem. If you want to try, you are traveling, so no problem. Yes.
But why? You have some protest?
Yes, we are protesting because here, well, this is Catalonia, you know.
Yeah.
Catalonia, we are paying about half of the taxes. Half of the taxes are going to Spain, and they are not coming back. So we are tired of this. Yes. And the tolls, these are tolls, isn't it? As peajes, no? This is in Spain. There are no peajes. If you go to Spain, you are not going to pay, but here you have to pay. You know. So yes, we are protesting because we want to separate and to say goodbye Spain and all that. They just will go outside. They will take a note of the matricula, you know, here the number, no, Poland, whatever. Here is Spain. They are going to write, and they are going to say bye bye. You are going to say that, yes.